Do you wish to order now?
No, there's another party coming along.
Why did you tell me Craig was coming?
Why does it matter, Myra?
I just wish to know so I can be ready.
You think you're the only one who's busy? Don't worry, I haven't even packed yet.
Tell you what, Carl, let's leave. We could give a message to the captain. Have him tell Craig that something came
We
up.
can't do that. You know Craig's been counting on us. He's been looking forward to it.
Well, what's so important about it?
We'll talk about that after dinner, Myra. Hello, Charles. Good evening, Mr. Kelso.
I agree.
For dessert, may I suggest cherry jubilee? It's excellent.
Oh, no thank you.
How about you, Myra? That'll be all, Charles.
Well, Craig, that was delicious dinner. French food couldn't be any better.
Myra, you enjoy your dinner?
You told us you would tell us what this is all about after dinner,
Myra.
Craig.
Oh, it's alright. She's just anxious.
What do you mean, anxious?
Well, trip to Paris, and she's about to become a bride.
Craig, I want to know why you brought us here.
Alright. Here you are, Carl.
Craig, our deal was $2,500.
I thought I'd double it. It was my surprise.
But why?
For helping me achieve an important ambition.
Really? Well, I certainly hope that through the years, that painting continues to please you, Craig.
I'm certain it will. You see, to me, the portrait reflected not only a friendship, but a great understanding you felt for the subject. I hope you're never disappointed. Now I must run. I have a lot of work to do at the house.
You mean that one important case you mentioned?
That's the one. Thank you for coming, Myra.
We will see you again before you leave.
Yes, you will.